India's August 2024 headline CPI came in at 3.65% year-on-year, broadly in line with our expectation and flat versus last month's print. Food inflation ticked up 20 basis points to 5.3% year-on-year due to higher fruits and vegetables inflation. Fuel stayed in the deflationary zone, reporting a negative 5.3% year-on-year, and core was steady at 3.4%. Fruits and vegetables tend to be volatile during the monsoon months. As per the daily vegetable prices reported by Department of Consumer Affairs for up until 12th September, vegetables could see a meaningful sequential decline in September. But for any weather anomalies, the near-term outlook on food inflation stays favorable. Headline CPI ex of vegetables was at a 5-year low of 3.1%. Alongside, nearly 60% of the CPI basket by weight reports a sub-4% inflationary print. Both these factors suggest that the inflation concerns are limited to a certain food items in India, while the core inflation shows signs of bottoming out from an ultra-low level. It stays still benign. India's headline inflation has fallen below RBI's central target point of 4% since July 2024. It is likely to stay around 4% for the remaining 7 months of FY25. FY25 average CPI inflation could be 20 to 30 basis points lower than the RBI's estimate of 4.5%. Yet, we still think that it's a status quo on rates, at least in the next two policy. The growth inflation mix in India could allow RBI to be patient on any rate moves. Moreover, an improvement in banking system liquidity has led overnight rates to soften below the repo in the recent months.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.